Hi, my name is Walter Davis, and I'm looking for entrepreneurs that can be very excited about getting involved in the advanced technologies that we have available. Automated webinars, texting campaigns, mobile apps, internet radio broadcasts, internet television broadcasts. These are all things you can do from the comfort of your home. These are things you can generate a very high income and have a worldwide impact with very little technical expertise necessary. I can show you how. I'll take you step by step and I'll guide you and support you all the way through. All I need for you to do is to apply yourself and not keep repeating things like, I'm computer illiterate. I need you to come in and jump in with me and make some money and make a real difference. This will be a great segue for you for the next part of your life by getting involved with me in my digital media network, the Citizens Internet Television Network, Citizens Internet Radio Network, ComF5. There are a plethora of opportunities for you. You can pick one, you can pick several, you can pick all of them. Hope you pick all of them and become a reseller with me with ComF5. But if not, if you only want to have a limited amount of exposure with our social media campaigns, then you pick and choose what you want. I got a blog with all the great information in one place that tells you how to get started, what to do, and gives you a great overview of what we're doing. So with that, I want to thank you for your time.